Next, we will move on to discuss the Call Management tab. The first tab within the Call Management tab is Logs. Call logs are also arranged in a table format and sorted as discussed in previous sections. This tab displays all inbound and outbound call activity. The arrows pointing to the left indicate an outbound call. Inbound calls are indicated by the arrow pointing to the right. The icons that have a red X over the phone indicate a missed call. From this tab, you are able to delete a call by selecting the checkbox of the log to remove and clicking the delete button. Your call log can also be exported to a CSV file by clicking the Export to CSV File button. Finally, you can return calls using the Click to Dial feature if enabled. Next, we will discuss the Find Me tab. The Find Me function enables your callers to locate you at a predefined group of numbers when you are away from your phone. Find Me is a ring no answer condition that occurs when you fail to answer an inbound call at your business telephone. This feature is only activated from the portal and must be activated as your default call treatment, which is an upcoming topic. To create a Find Me profile, select Add and then click Options. Next, enter a descriptive name for the Find Me profile. You will then need to select a Find Me strategy. The first strategy is Simultaneous Ring, which attempts to ring all numbers in the list at the beginning of an incoming call. The next strategy is Sequential, which attempts each destination in order after the primary phone number is not answered. Each destination is attempted for a specified number of seconds. The last strategy is Ring All, which attempts all destinations simultaneously after the primary telephone number is not answered. Next, you will add one or more Find Me locations and numbers to the profile by clicking Add. Here you can select your predefined listed numbers from the My Numbers directory, or you can select Other to enter a description and new phone number. You can use the No Answer Timeout drop-down menu to set the number of seconds that the system will ring the destination. 4 seconds is the standard for one ring. Using the Menu Timeout drop-down menu, set the number of seconds that the system will wait for the user to respond to the menu system after the call is answered. In the Challenge Type field, select how you want the calls to be presented to you and click Save. If you selected Sequential as a Find Me strategy, adjust the order of the destinations using the up and down arrow function icons. After defining one or more Find Me profiles, you must activate Find Me by assigning Find Me as either a default call treatment or as a call screening treatment. This will be discussed in the next section. A Find Me profile can be modified by clicking the edit icon next to the profile. A Find Me profile can be deleted by selecting the checkbox for the profile and clicking delete. Next, we will discuss call treatment. Call treatment enables you to configure various aspects of how inbound calls are handled. Using the Call Treatment tab, you can configure a default call treatment. The default treatment determines how all unscreened calls are handled. The following are the most popular types of treatments available. Disabled, which indicates that no call treatment is in effect and all the calls are unscreened. Forward to number indicates that calls from the number will be forwarded to the phone number that you specify in the forward to field. The original called number is bypassed and does not ring. Forward to voicemail forwards the call directly to voicemail without ringing your phone. Find Me, which was discussed previously, will be displayed if at least one Find Me list has been created. The Find Me feature will forward the incoming call to a list of phone numbers specified by the user. Forward when busy is used if your phone is busy when a call comes in. The call will be forwarded to the number specified in the Forward To field. Forward when no answer is used if you miss a call. It will be forwarded to the number specified in the Forward To field. To configure a call treatment, click on the Edit icon for the default forwarding entry. Next, select the desired call treatment action, enter any configuration parameters needed, and click Save. The next tab within Call Management is Speed Dials. To configure a speed dial, click Set Speed Dial, then enter the name, phone number, and click Save. This entry can be edited or deleted by choosing the appropriate icons next to the entry. You can also configure a speed dial button to display on your phone. To do so, click on the Set Speed Dial button. This option will cause your phone to go off hook and you will be prompted by the phone to finish the configuration.